Imagine if every thought, action, and emotion you experience is part of a grand, cosmic tapestry. Learn how this profound connection shapes your life and reality. Welcome to Vortex Tribe, where we journey into the heart of consciousness, energy, and universal truths. Let's dive right in. The Law of Divine Oneness states that everything in the universe is interconnected and part of a greater whole. It emphasizes that every thought, action, and event is interwoven with everything else, creating a unified field of existence. This law teaches that all beings, all elements, and all occurrences are fundamentally connected, and nothing exists in isolation. Unity of all things. The Law of Divine Oneness highlights that all aspects of the universe, including people, animals, plants, and even inanimate objects, are interconnected. This unity implies that the actions and energy of one part can influence the whole. Collective consciousness. This principle suggests that there is a shared consciousness that binds all living beings. Our thoughts and emotions can affect the collective energy of the universe, making it important to cultivate positive and harmonious thoughts. Interdependence. According to this law, every entity in the universe relies on the others. Understanding this interdependence helps us recognize the importance of compassion, empathy, and cooperation in our interactions with others. Holistic perspective. The Law of Divine Oneness encourages us to see beyond individual differences and recognize the underlying unity. By adopting a holistic perspective, we can appreciate the interconnected nature of life and work towards harmony and balance. The concept of divine oneness has deep roots in various philosophical and spiritual traditions throughout history. Many ancient civilizations and philosophical schools have recognized the interconnectedness of all things as a fundamental truth. In Eastern philosophies, particularly in Hinduism and Buddhism, the idea of oneness is central. In Hinduism, the concept of Brahman represents the ultimate reality, the source of all that exists. Everything in the universe is seen as an expression of Brahman, illustrating the profound interconnectedness of all life. Similarly, Buddhism teaches the principle of interdependence, or pratityasamutpada, which asserts that all phenomena arise in dependence upon multiple causes and conditions. This interdependence highlights the intrinsic connection between all aspects of existence. Western philosophies. In Western thought, the idea of a unified cosmos can be traced back to ancient Greek philosophy. Heraclitus, a pre-Socratic philosopher, famously stated, "Everything flows and nothing stays," emphasizing the constant change and connection within the universe. Later, Plato and Plotinus developed the concept of the One, an ultimate source of all reality, from which everything emanates and to which everything returns. Modern thought. In more contemporary times, the idea of interconnectedness has been explored by various thinkers and scientists. Albert Einstein spoke about the illusion of separateness, emphasizing that our distinctions between individuals are not fundamental. In his words, a human being is a part of the whole, called by us universe, a part limited in time and space. He experiences himself, his thoughts and feelings as something separated from the rest, a kind of optical delusion of his consciousness. This delusion is a kind of prison for us, restricting us to our personal desires and to affection for a few persons nearest to us. Our task must be to free ourselves from this prison by widening our circle of compassion, to embrace all living creatures and the whole of nature in its beauty. Nobody is able to achieve this completely, but the striving for such achievement is in itself a part of the liberation and a foundation for inner security. Indigenous wisdom. Many indigenous cultures have long held a deep understanding of the interconnectedness of all life. Native American traditions, for example, emphasize the idea that all beings are part of a sacred web of life. The Lakota phrase, mitakuye o yas inji, means all my relations, and reflects this profound sense of connection and kinship with all living things. By examining these historical and philosophical perspectives, we can see that the law of divine oneness is a universal truth recognized across cultures and eras. Understanding this interconnectedness helps us appreciate the unity and harmony that underlies our diverse experiences and encourages us to live in a more compassionate and mindful way. The law of divine oneness has been explored and emphasized by various well-known figures and texts across different cultures and time periods. Albert Einstein, the renowned physicist, emphasized the interconnected nature of reality and often discussed the concept of unity in the universe. He believed that our perception of being separate from the rest of the universe is an illusion created by our limited consciousness. Thich Nhat Hanh, the Vietnamese Zen master and peace activist, has written extensively on the concept of interbeing, which is closely related to divine oneness. In his book, The Heart of Understanding, he explains how everything in the universe is interconnected. Rumi, the 13th century Persian poet and Sufi mystic, frequently wrote about the unity of all things. In his poetry, he expresses the idea that everything in existence is part of a greater whole, as seen in his famous line, "You are not a drop in the ocean. You are the entire ocean in a drop." The Bhagavad Gita. This ancient Hindu scripture explores the concept of Brahman, the ultimate reality that pervades all existence. It teaches that realizing the oneness of all things is essential for spiritual enlightenment. The Tao Te Ching, attributed to the ancient Chinese philosopher Lao Tzu, this foundational Taoist text emphasizes the interconnectedness of all things through the Tao, the underlying principle that is the source of all existence. A Course in Miracles. This modern spiritual text discusses the idea of oneness as a fundamental aspect of reality. It teaches that recognizing our unity with all beings leads to a more peaceful and fulfilling life. Chief Seattle. The famous speech attributed to this Native American leader eloquently highlights the interconnectedness of all life. While the exact wording of the original speech, delivered in 1854, has been lost to history, the most popular version includes the lines, "All things are connected like the blood that unites us all. Man did not weave the web of life. He is merely a strand in it. Whatever he does to the web, he does to himself." These figures and texts provide diverse perspectives on the law of divine oneness, enriching our understanding of this profound principle and its relevance in various cultural and spiritual contexts. The law of divine oneness is significant because it fundamentally changes how we perceive ourselves and our relationship with the world around us. Recognizing that everything is interconnected fosters a sense of unity and empathy, breaking down the barriers of separation that often lead to conflict and misunderstanding. By understanding this law, we realize that our actions, thoughts, and emotions are not isolated, but ripple through the web of existence, affecting the whole. Understanding and applying the law of divine oneness can lead to profound improvements in one's life. Here are a few ways it can make a difference. Enhanced relationships. When we see others as extensions of ourselves, we approach relationships with more compassion and empathy. This perspective can lead to stronger, more harmonious connections with family, friends, and even strangers. Greater compassion. Realizing that all beings are interconnected fosters a sense of compassion for others' experiences and struggles. This can lead to more altruistic behavior and a deeper commitment to helping those in need. Reduced conflict. By recognizing our shared humanity and interconnectedness, we are less likely to engage in conflicts. Understanding that harm to others ultimately harms ourselves can promote peace and cooperation. Personal growth. Embracing this law encourages self-reflection and personal growth. Understanding that our inner state affects the outer world motivates us to cultivate positive thoughts and emotions. Environmental stewardship. Recognizing our connection to nature inspires more sustainable and respectful treatment of the environment. We see ourselves as caretakers of the earth, responsible for its health and well-being. The law of divine oneness is a powerful principle that, when fully embraced, can transform your life by fostering compassion, reducing conflict, and promoting personal growth and environmental stewardship. By seeing yourself as part of a larger whole, you create a more harmonious and connected world. Practical tips and exercises for integrating this law into your daily routines. Mindfulness and meditation. Practicing mindfulness and meditation can help you become more aware of your connection to everything around you. Spend a few minutes each day in quiet reflection, focusing on your breath and the sensation of being part of a larger whole. Visualize the interconnectedness of all life and how your thoughts and actions ripple through the universe. Acts of kindness. Engage in random acts of kindness. Whether it's helping a neighbor, volunteering, or simply offering a smile to a stranger, these actions can reinforce the understanding that we are all connected. Acts of kindness create positive energy that reverberates through the web of life. Gratitude practice. Start a gratitude journal where you regularly write down things you are grateful for, particularly those that highlight interconnectedness, such as supportive relationships, nature, and community. This practice can shift your perspective to see the unity in diversity. Feeling isolated. It's common to feel isolated or disconnected, especially in today's fast-paced world. To overcome this, actively seek out community activities or groups that share your interests. Engaging with others in meaningful ways can help reinforce the sense of oneness. Negative thoughts and emotions. Negative thoughts and emotions can create a sense of separation. Combat this by practicing positive affirmations and focusing on the good in others and yourself. Meditation and mindfulness can also help in managing and transforming these negative states. Resistance to change. Embracing the law of divine oneness might challenge long-held beliefs about individuality and separation. Overcoming this resistance requires openness and a willingness to explore new perspectives. Reading books, attending workshops, and engaging in discussions about interconnectedness can aid in this transition. Daily reflection. Set aside time each day to reflect on how your actions have affected others and how others' actions have affected you. Consider how your choices contribute to the greater good. Connecting with nature. Spend time in nature to experience firsthand the interconnectedness of all living things. Take walks or simply sit outside and observe the natural world. This helps foster a sense of belonging and connection to the earth. Mindful communication. Practice active listening and empathetic communication. When interacting with others, try to understand their perspectives and feelings, acknowledging that their experiences are part of the same interconnected web of life. By incorporating even just one of these practices into your daily routine, you can begin to experience the profound impact of the law of divine oneness in your life. It's about gradual integration and consistent effort to see the world through the lens of interconnectedness. This shift in perspective not only enriches your personal experience, but also contributes to a more compassionate and harmonious world. Before we get to the conclusion, If you are enjoying this video, please show your support by hitting the like button. It helps me more than you know. Today we explored the law of divine oneness, which teaches us about the interconnectedness of all things. We defined the law and its core principles, examined its historical and philosophical background, and discussed why it is important in our daily lives. We also provided practical tips and exercises for applying this law, emphasizing that starting with even one practice can make a significant difference. I encourage you to start integrating the law of divine oneness into your life, even if it's just one small step at a time. Notice how your perspective shifts and how it influences your interactions and well-being. I'd love to hear about your experiences and any insights you gain along the way, so please share your journey in the comments below. In our next episode, we delve into the law of vibration, which explores how everything in the universe vibrates at its own frequency. We'll discuss its significance, how to harness its power, and practical ways to raise your vibration for a more fulfilling life. Subscribe for more educational content that helps to raise our collective consciousness. Until next time.